Okay, so if you're done with this image, go ahead and close it. In fact, you could close Photoshop for now. We will be bringing Photoshop back, but for now we'll just say you did a good job. Thank you for all your service. All right, and then please open up your Illustrator file, and we'll work on that next. Okay, so if you have your Illustrator started, please go ahead and open a new file. So File, New, dialog box should pop up, and then for me it popped up on the other screen. So you could name this right now. You could name it Woodland Chapel. Woodland Chapel. Oops. Board or something. I don't know. Board 1. Number of artboard, we'll keep it as 1 right now. It is a letter size, but I do want it in a landscape format. Let's keep the bleed at 0. And since if you don't have that advanced popped up, please expand that portion. Since all our images we changed to 150, please keep this to 150 as well. And once that's done, go ahead and set OK, and you have your worksheet or artboard. Okay, so what you probably want to do is to make sure that your ruler is visible. Show rulers. And then we're going to start dropping some of our photos in there. So go ahead and say File, Place, and then we'll look for that file that says it is, where did I put that? H. Kuroki 122, Woodland Package, and it should be the angel background. I'll place this on there first and say Place. Don't select the original photo, select your PSD, and we're going to link it. Oh, make sure that you have it linked. And there it is, 1-to-1. Click. Okay. Right now, you can still manipulate this so that you can place it anywhere on the board. But make sure that it is on the board. And place it right about there in the left-hand corner. And when you're satisfied with that location, you should have a check mark on here. But if you don't, you can say Enter. Oops. Or select in the area. Do you guys have a check mark on up here? Okay. So please note which layer that you stuck this on. We're on all layer 1. Okay. So I'm going to do these other stuff on here. So I'm going to try to create other layers besides layer 1. But for now, since I have this thing up, you do have your rulers showing. You could go ahead and select or drag a guide on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to select the guide right there so that it's right on top. So since we did make this thing or make this image 3.5 inches, it should be going up 3.5 inches. So this is 4, so this must be 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, so it is to scale.